Today I'm going to be showing a website here how to edit a WordPress product in WooCommerce. We're going to talk about adding a featured image here, the title, the description, a PDF upload, custom values that you'll be adding in here and where the information comes from, and then also uploading extra images and drawings here. So let's just jump right in. First thing you'll do, you'll come into your WordPress page. Once you log in, and you will slide down the left-hand side where it says products, you will find the product that you want to edit. You roll your mouse over on edit here. If you're adding a new product, you would add new product. You can also duplicate products by clicking this if you want to reuse a product and just change out the title and image. And we'll just jump in here. So today we're going to be editing this product. And once I edit, it comes to a page like this. And the first thing here you'll see is the product description. So it says the in series. And if we look back at the actual product here, the in series, so that's the information there, that paragraph that you're seeing. Jump back there so you can see it one more time. So it's pulling that information from the product description. So let's see here. For this one, we'll close that and open up a couple of these other items here. So if you come down to the indicator products here and open it up, and sometimes they might be closed depending on what type of product we have set up here. You can just open and collapse and whatnot if they're not showing. So for this product, it's an indicator product. You'll see sealing degree, mounting, and that information that's showing there's the title for each, and then you just fill in the value right here in these boxes that we have set up. So you see all this information. It's pulling from here in each category. If you need to change out the PDF here, so the PDF that you're seeing, the data sheet, that would be right here. You can click the X to remove the one that's on here. If you want to change it, you click edit, and what it'll do then is it'll just open up your media folder up here, and then you can select the item that you want to add. So if we went in here, we're going to look for this one here. So put the same one back, copy and paste that. So say we want to edit it. You can delete it here. Otherwise, if we click the X, it'll remove it. So this will look like when it doesn't have a PDF attached. You click add file. You'll see all the products that we have uploaded already to the website. If we search for this, we can then find it, click on it. Click select the bottom right corner there, and now it's added it. Same thing with images here. If you're going to find any images, you can click X to remove it, and then it'll say add file. You click on that, and then you can search for the name of it in there, and then just add it the same way we did with the PDF. So that is for the PDF section there, and then the dimensional drawings here. And that's pretty much it for the information for changing out on a product if you're doing that manually. In our next video, we'll show how to do an upload via CSV file to upload everything at once if you're doing a big update across all your products. That's generally the best way to do that. If you're just coming in and changing one product, the best way is just to do this, to change out a featured image if you need to do that because it's fairly quick, or change, maybe there's a typo or some type of text you want to change. One other item that did not show here, I realize, is on the right-hand side here, you'll have product image. This is where you select your featured image. So that's the primary image here, the featured image that shows. And that's the same way. You just click remove product if you don't want to use this one, or you can click on it and it'll show you the products here, and you just select which image you want, set product image, and then it'll populate the new product there. We're not going to save that today because we want to leave the product here. If you wanted to add a gallery below the featured image here, it would add a bunch of thumbnails, and you could show different angles of the product photo. It would just be other photos that you can click through, and then it switches out the primary image above it if you click on any of those smaller thumbnail images. The categories, this is where you can apply different categories. You'll see here, so this is an indicator and it's illuminated. So those are the product categories for this specific product. If you need to change any, you just uncheck or recheck to add them. Tags, we typically don't use those. And that's pretty much it for that. And so when you want to update this product, you would just click the blue update here. If it's a new product, it'll say add product. And then you come back and you refresh this page, it'll show the new information that went in there from the site. If for any reason it's not showing the new information, you can reach out to us and let us know. Sometimes websites have a cache set up. This one has a WP Rocket cache on it that makes it load faster on different pages. So sometimes you have to come in and clear the cache on the plugin side with WP Rocket if it's not working, or your hosting provider. All right, hopefully that video was helpful. Let us know with the comments below. Like the video if you want to see more videos like this. And we appreciate your time today. Thank you.